So my prediction for 2019 relates to cyber espionage. I think businesses tend to think too much of cybersecurity in isolation, as opposed to considering the geopolitical and economic situations which can drive behaviours in cyberspace. With the rise of trade warfare over the past sort of 6 months to a year, the opportunities for certain nations to legitimately acquire technologies have started to dwindle. This potentially forces them down a line of having to look to acquire tools through more nefarious means. So historically, spying was sending a man into a building or into a government agency. It's much cheaper, quicker and more effective these days to launch a cyber campaign against a business to simply steal the intellectual property that you couldn't be sold.